Saturday, and ngayon we have a very exciting package from Insta360. May SD na siya. Okay, pa rin naman ready to use. And okay, I got Backlight Shoot 8K. Okay, so this is my second Insta360. Si Tita Col ka magagamit ka ni? Actually, parang mas, mas may utilize ni Tita Ra. Ayan, parang sa mga active person. Yung nagbabike, tapos pag nagsusnowboard, mas no, kita kayo eh. Pero summer na. Oh! Tayo ay nanalo. Ano, shall we open, kayo eh? You reckon? Sure. Ano, i-unbox ko na
Kasali
talaga?
Pa rin ako. Sige na.
Kasali ka.
Kasali na.
Ano, open ko na talaga ni. Anyway, okay. Ano, ready na ba everybody? Ano kahit naman yung ano? Okay, pa-suspense lang tayo. Sino ang opening? Ayan. Tan-taradan. AK360 camera X4. Na-hyper! Na-hyper! Okay. Ano, halatag din na hiling. Okay guys, I think, saan tayo pupunta?
Ay.
The flip. Yes. Saan tayo pupunta? Kasi kailangan nating matas ang Insta360. Char. Cute! Ganun ang cellphone! Alright, where do I use this? Yung mga, okay, mga soft girly, comment down. Char, soft girly. Okay guys, comment down. Where do I actually use Insta360? Yung, okay, nagbabike ako, pero yung parang cruiser bike lang. Yung mga cute-cute na bike. And then,
i-bike ko na lang.
itong bike mo, dumabag ang bike mo sa wala itong saro.
600 meters.
Alright, and then, saan ko ito magagamit? Like, as in, sino ba naman ang mag-aakala naman na tayo ng raffle? I mean, oo, yung raffle, pig raffle pa to, ano? So, parang i-filter na. So, so, nanalo ka ng 3.60 seconds na yun.
Ano? Nanalo ka ng 3.60 seconds?
Nanalo ka ng pindot. So, nanalo ka ng pindot na 3.60 na
Pindot
sakto
yung
ano.
boto ng 3.60 seconds tapos nanalo ka.
Okay, so
may entry ka sa raffle.
okay. I'm such a good storyteller, Box. Okay. Alright, so any suggestion? Where do we go? What country are we going? Feeling. What country are we going to? This is a 360. Comment down below. Saan tayo pupunta? Ay! Nanggana kita kayo. 8K. Di ko aram. Basta hindi ako marunong gumamit ito. 8K resolution. So guys, may kita ang mga pores nito. Ganun ba yan? Alrighty. Itatry natin gamitin to. Ma-utilize to as a soft girly. You know what I mean? Guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa High Point. Yung sabi ko sa inyo, pupuntahan namin na mall. Ayan, nag-order pala kami ng noodles. Thank you kayo eh. Okay, naglagay lang tayo ng nice jacket kasi medyo malamig pa pala sa labas. Ngayon, I'm exploring yung Insta360 kasi hindi na tayo na-unbox. So I'm looking for some accessories for Expo. Apparently, it doesn't come with anything when you open the package.
Oh.
Well, yung RRP niya pa pala is 639 AUD. Ayan, X4 Air lens cap. It's $11.99. Kailangan natin yan kasi medyo rascal tayo. Very clumsy. And then, there's also X4 Air premium lens. But I actually need yung itong lens air cap. May protector pa. Okay, so we're gonna get this X4 Air screen protector. And next is Air lens cap. And yung premium lens guard. I've been seeing a lot of reviews sa TikTok and apparently they're putting yung lens guard. Kasi sa likod, sa harap, merong lens and naka-off siya so it would be prone to bastos. Is kaya naman pala wala kaming sa SSC for juniors. I think I'll get yung Thai green curry with chicken and then papaya salad, yeah? Ayaw man. Ha? Ito parang nice to.
So, less than $20, that's the surcharge.
Success tayo. Nag-brunch tayo with Charlie and then we went to Letao. We went to Letao to buy some cheesecake cookies. Cheese cookies. Very nice. The two lords of Queen Elizabeth.
Ayan, town hall.
We're home and look what just arrived from Amazon. Remember nung nag-check out tayo nung kahapon? Ito na yan. Express from Amazon. Siti, paano ning sundang mo? Noy. Alrighty, So, etong mga ito, hindi man lang siya kasali sa Black Friday sale. Nakakainis. But yes. So, we will start off with ito. So, this is a lens cap sa ating Insta360 Go Ultra. Well, there's already a lens guard, but I just want to be extra careful dahil masyado tayong clumsy. OMG! Di ka siya. Di po ka. Di ka siya. Paano yan? Most expensive stuff I bought is this Fumer Flexi mount. So rechargeable din siya. So this is for the camera itself when you remove it from the pod. It's the same price sa Insta360 website. Ew. Meron din siyang parang stick mount. USB-C. Okay, so this is the pod. Or yung parang mount ng mismong camera when you remove it from the pod. Yun nga lang walang itim na ganito. This is how it looks like. And then, eto yun siya. Parang, and then you can just put the charger on when you're filming. So, very cute. I wish there's a black version of this one. Para at least it's not pretty obvious. And then when you have the magnet pendant, that's where you'll actually put it like that. So, yeah. Ah! Okay. So, itong stand na to is from DJI Osmo. I'm just using it kasi wala pa tayong stick for this one. Shall we wipe it? Or... So, yes. The contact lens. Okay. Sa totoo lang, di ko talaga aram yung mga pinagka-order ko. Hindi ko man nalalaag! For air palan! Kasuya.
Gusto ko pala ang lens kang air kambang.
O, di na naman yung magagamit. Okay, mali-mali po tayo in-order. Saka ano ni Taday ka siya dyan? Ubus day ka siya. Lahat po na yung in-order natin sa Amazon ay wrong. Okay? Express naman sana siya, but it's all wrong. Sir, I think this one is compatible, pero hindi pa tayo sure. Ano ba yan? Epic fail. Okay, let's check out again. At least it's a bit of a success dahil like okay.
Yes, but we know who you are. That's the main thing.
Ano? Pero gusto ko na naman. Titanium. Ito ni Marcos. Ano yun na ano?
May babalo ka pa?
Mana yan lang. Grabe na screenshot ako sa ano. Sa Soyday. Ano ibabaw ta na. Guys, huwag nyo nang don't mind yung order of putting them sa dishwasher dahil yan lang naman din ang huhugasan ko. It doesn't have to be in order, diba? Okay, the masterpiece of brownie.
This is not dishwasher safe because it'll ruin the paint, so just like...
Ito ba hindi comes out too? Yeah. Cutie! If I don't have the pimple.